Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer user accounts with Salesforce step by step clearly. To transfer user accounts in Salesforce, begin by logging into your Salesforce administrator account. Navigate to the Setup menu located at the top right corner of your dashboard. In the Quick Find box, type Users and click on the Users link under the Users heading. Locate the user account you wish to transfer and click on the user's name to open their profile. On the User Detail page, scroll down to the User License section. Note the current user license and profile assignments for the account being transferred. Now, identify the new user account that will receive the transferred data. Return to the Users section and click on the name of the user account you want to transfer data to. Ensure that the new user account has an appropriate user license that matches the transferred user's license. If the new user has a different profile, you may need to change it to match the incoming data. Next, navigate back to the user account you are transferring from. Click on the Transfer button often found at the top of the User Detail page. A dialog will appear, prompting you to select the new user account. Select the appropriate new user from the drop-down list. Once selected, review the data that will be transferred, including any related records and ownerships. Confirm the transfer by clicking the Transfer button at the bottom of the dialog. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the transfer was successful. Double-check the new user's account to ensure all data and records have transferred correctly. Finally, inform both users of the completed transfer, providing any necessary details regarding the account changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.